Hey guys, this is day 2 of doing something fun until I feel like I'm living and not surviving. I really wanted to just be supernatural today, so this is my unstraightened hair and no makeup. I used to feel the most like myself when I was connected through nature, so I decided to take myself back into nature and do what I used to do to feel more connected. Got some water, blanket, and some art stuff. Also brought my dog with to join me. Just set up by the water, it's so peaceful and quiet.